What's up, everybody? Ray here from Punisher Lamont's Garage. Today, I want to show you guys this tool I made. Now, a lot of people have made this same variation of tool. Basically, when you cut your intercooler piping, it no longer has the bead to hold the coupler in place with the clamp. So I usually just TIG weld a bead around there. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So I decided to make my own tool. I used a piece of little 1/2-inch DOM tubing, and this is actually a link of chain welded to my vice grips. Now, I did have to sacrifice my vice grips, but I think it was worth it. Now, what you do is you just line it up on there, clamp it, just work your way around. I usually just leave a little space in between, and then I'll go back and I'll fill in between them. This isn't ideal. They sell bead rollers. They're expensive. I don't have room to put one, nor do I use one all the time. So for me, this was just the way to do it. A lot of guys use their crimping tools and they'll cut the end of it off. I didn't want to do that. Mine are kind of high dollar, so I had these old vice grips that was just laying around, and I thought this could work, and it does. You just keep working your way around it, and then when you got a bead all the way around it, you can tighten it up a little more, make it a little deeper bead if you want. It's kind of monotonous, kind of tedious, but as you can see, I mean, it ain't as good as the factory one, but it'll keep that intercooler piping from flying off, and it's a whole lot easier than taking a bead on these pipe every time you need one. Plus, you can throw these in the car when you go to the track. You can either help out a fellow racer, or if you have a clamp blowing off, easy to fix. There you go, my little DIY tool of the week. So that's it. Easy to build. Little piece of tubing, little link of chain, welder. You got yourself a bead roller. Well, not a bead roller, a bead crimper, I suppose, what you'd call it. Anyway, that's it. If that helps anybody out, good. If you don't mind, smash that subscribe button. I'm always coming up with some DIY tool tips. I don't usually video them, but I guess I'll start. Maybe I can help somebody else out.